Oh boy, let's go. Let's go. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves. Here we go. These two, back at it again. In this video, we're going to talk about, well, we're not really talking about Trump. We're not really talking about Elon, but they have something going on Monday. There's an interview. It'll be on Truth Social, okay? Monday is the 12th, August the 12th. Yes, Truth Social, they're going to have an interview, right? So now that is where we come in, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, DJT, let's talk about it. Look at the chart. This is the daily chart. We're looking at it, DJT, okay, over here. See it at the top. We're in the daily. We're on the daily right here. So, as you see, okay, pre-market, we're trading $27.32, okay? You can see it right here, too. All right, but it's, okay, this is what I want to show you. You see how we're down here in this area? You see how once we broke above this this price point in the past, once we broke above $23.84 in the past, we stayed above it. Because once the price went up above it before, we came down, we had support. We bounced above that level. We had support. When we came again, we bounced. There was support, like walking on the floor of a house. This is support, definitely. $23.84 down. That area, that zone. Okay, don't think of it as like one exact number. We came down a little bit because of the market came down and everything. Okay, so we're in this area like before. Okay, we're here. Will we bounce up? Now the fact that they're going to do this interview. Okay, what is it about? Let's just get into it a little bit. Okay, so former President Donald Trump and billionaire, only the richest, maybe the richest person in the world, because you know how some people are not really disclosing their full net worth. So does somebody really have more money than him? It could be. But anyway, let's go with it for now. Elon Musk will be featured in the interview on Monday, August the 12th. We are less than 3 months away from the presidential election, which is going to make a whole lot of drama, everybody. And DJT will move. That stock will move, okay? It'll be bumpy, though. So this video is only for people who could tolerate all the bumpiness that will happen as they debate each other, okay? So, Trump is having interviews with, guess what? YouTubers, by the way. YouTuber content creators. So I guess he's going to reach out to me. He's going to want to be over here on the spot real quick. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves. So he had interviews with Logan Paul and Ross over there. So anyway, this will make drama. Drama is good for meme stocks. Okay? So why am I looking at this? This is on the daily. I know it's marked up. I know it looks a little crazy. Just focus on it though. Because if we bought here and you sell up here, and you buy down here. We didn't make it to the tippy top again, but here we go. You buy down here. What will you do? You'll sell up here. That is the daily. Let's go to the weekly. You can see what I'm saying even easier here. This is the weekly time frame. All right. So see how it touches here. It touches down here. We're in the same zone again. All right. I want to move it over to this 4-hour time frame. Same thing. Same stock. DJT. Okay, look at that. Looks maybe it's a little easier on your eye. All right, so support. Here we are. So will we go a little bit lower? See how this candle went here? See how that candle went here? So maybe that was the buy right here. But still, you're still lower enough. And why? Because look how much upside we have. Wait, people. Wait for it. Ready? Look at this. Look at this. If you go to the tops, to the tippy top, do you see that? 94%. Boom. That's why we're talking about it. 94% upside. Yes. Okay. So if we want to make 94% on the stock, all right, boom, right there. So that's why this is good, because we're going from practically, let's say, $25 to $50. Let's say it's 100% upside. Pretty much. So I wanted to make sure we showed you that. And then also look at this. Okay. What, Miss Moneymaker? What are you saying we need to look at? Let's look at this. All right. Hold on. Gotta adjust it. Always gotta adjust it. Oh my gosh. I'm just getting warm. Come on now. This is sexually attractive. We know that. All right. So here we go. All right. If we're buying here, okay, and we have a stop loss, I wouldn't put it like right there, but say a little bit below. And say you're having, I didn't put it to the tippy top, but say you're taking profits up there. The point is, you see this area? Hold on. Let me change the color to something like this. I'll do it again. Risk to reward ratio, 7.9. Practically an 8. Anything above a 3 is good. So let me just play with the numbers. Say you had a stop that went a little bit lower because you see this area. Say we went below this. Okay, so let's say we went a little bit lower to here. Okay, and let's say if you wanted to go to the tippy top. Say you're one of those people like, oh, I'm going all the way to the top. Okay, that's a 5. That's a 5. So watch this number as I change the stop, because that's up to you where you want to stop out at. Okay, so see, it's a 6. If you just go right here, it's a 7. So it depends. And then if you come a little lower, either way, no matter where you want to take this, you're above a 3. And 3 is good. A risk to reward above a 3 is good. Okay, but that, let me just move this over. Just move it over here. Hold on. Hey. Move it over some more because I want you to be able to see. Okay, move that there. This. That part right there. So I said, let me make a quick video so you can see there's a lot of upside if you're buying down here in this area, in this area. This is a good buy zone. All down here. Yes, down here, this area. So I said, let me show it to you. Let me show it to you. Let me make the rectangle in case you need to see it as a rectangle. All right. Okay, so buy zone, sell zone. Buy zone, sell zone. And why I'm saying sell up here, people did that in the past. See, when it got here, it was like hitting your head on the ceiling of a house. Boom. Ow, that hurts. People sold. People sold. We didn't even get there that time. So it's a lot to hold all the way up here because we have different resistance levels. Okay, all these moving averages. But we'll talk about that as it comes. In this video, I just wanted to show you, hey, we have a catalyst. That's the interview, right? It's coming up. So be ready for it. Okay, see you next time in the next video, right? You know what? I think we should just say a quote before we leave out of here. Yes, let's do that. Okay, you know who this is. I don't have to tell you who this is, but Mr. Man said, a person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Okay? So, look, if you never made a mistake, you're not doing anything. Okay? Try something new. Do something different. And click like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.